Right now, we're seeing a notable uptick in global sentiment at plus 0.14, coupled with a strong momentum of plus 0.58. This spike is particularly interesting when you consider that it contrasts sharply with a historical baseline where sentiment typically hovers around neutral levels. This means something's brewing globally, maybe a significant event, or collective sentiment shift that you can capitalize on. Our API gives you real-time insights, returning sentiment scores, semantic clusters, and more, enabling you to dig deeper into the data that matters most. Imagine blending this insight into your trading strategies or market analysis tools. You could leverage the sentiment and momentum metrics to better time your entries and exits. To explore further, check out our documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. This is your opportunity to unlock actionable insights in real time.